Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MX90. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX90 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in a black, dark smoke grey, metallic cool grey colourway. And the style is IQ0300-001. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike MX90 in the black, dark smoke grey, metallic cool grey colourway. And let's lift up the left shoe first and take a look at its details. So just setting the box to the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the left shoe of this Nike MX90. And let's do a 360 rotation so we have a full and clear look of the shoe. Before we take much closer in looks at its details. So now taking a much closer in look at its details, you can see the different overlays making up the upper of the shoe, the overall black and grey colour. So we can see there is a mesh vamp or toe box in black, in that textile and suede details as well. This suede is very, very smooth and super fine, as you can see as I rub my fingertip on that panel right there between the vamp and the outer mudguard. So mudguard does appear to be nubuck. So right there with that black mudguard, just rubbing my finger on it as well to give you some sense of the various materials, having that textile mesh, suede, as well as nubuck for the outermost panel or overlay. And we can see this dark smoke grey section of the TPU of the eye stay and upper eye stay as well. And with the Nike swoosh, there is a low sheen gloss on that leather Nike swoosh, as you can see right there with that very fine grain leather for that metallic cool grey Nike swoosh. And of course we can see that contrasting detail with that Realtree EDGE printed camouflage for the collar of the shoe. So giving you a close-up look at that detail right there. And of course the Amex 90 details with that cutout window with Amex branding on that TPU panel, as well as of course the midsole wedge and that visible Nike Max Air cushioning unit. And now taking a look at the back of the shoe, we can see it is nearly blacked out, except for the contrasting Realtree EDGE camouflage just under that rubberized back tab, which is fully blacked out or murdered out with that Nike Air branding molded into it. Now turning into the inside of the shoe, once again we see obviously the Max Air unit, being able to see right across the other side of the shoe and the various Amex detailing. So once again, that Realtree EDGE camouflage on the collar of the shoe and on the inner sides as well, but we'll take a look at the inside details once we've covered the outer details. Now taking a look back at the front of the shoe, the three different materials making up the upper of the shoe. Now taking a look from the tip, top or toe of the shoe or front of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back along its length. So you can see the details right across. And at the very bottom of the eye stays, we can see an embroidered metallic cool grey Nike swoosh in that section of the shoe. And of course, once again, we see the detailing of that Realtree camouflage with that silvery Nike MX print on it. So very cool detail right there. As you can see just how shiny and reflective that textile printed silver detail is with that Nike branding on the tongue patch label. And taking a look at the back of the tongue, giving you a look at the tongue label at the back. And of course a sense of the bolstering or padding for the tongue. So it is soft with a medium level of thickness, and for the ankle and heel collar it is soft to firm with a medium level of thickness as well around the ankle and back of the opening of the shoe or collar of the shoe. So just flipping out the laces and giving you a look at the black laces as well as the aglets or lace tips in black as well, so plain black. Now let's pull out the paper stuffing that's in there for a clearer look at the inside details. So we can see the material sticker or composition sticker on the inside of the shoe with a combination of materials making up the upper, and of course the very obvious detail with the Realtree EDGE camouflage right throughout the lining of the shoe. So you can see the inside of the shoe is lined with that Realtree EDGE camouflage. Same goes with the sock liner or insole as well, as you can see. And now taking a look at the bottom of the shoe. So you can see it is black in colour, the black rubber waffle sole with the flex screws in them and the various tread blocks making up the traction pattern of the shoe. To give you some sense of this rubber waffle sole, just dragging my finger and tapping my fingertip on it. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. And now just straightening out the shoe and puffing it back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoes. So setting the left shoe down and in the background as we bring the box back in frame. And just popping out the left shoe of this Nike MX-90 in the black, dark smoke grey, metallic cool grey colourway. And of course with this side, let's do a 360 rotation as well for the quick initial look of the shoe. And now up close with its detail. So once again, we see that light grey, very fine suede middle panel, as well as that black nubuck mudguard or outermost overlay on both sides of the shoe, and of course the textile or mesh fab and the fine detail with the grey embroidered Nike swoosh at the bottom of the eye stays, and obviously the contrasting details with that patterned or camouflage printed Realtree EDGE course the Nike Max Air unit in the sole for cushioning. And of course, taking a look on the inside of this side of the shoe as well, so just slipping out the paper stuffing that's in there for a much clearer look at the inside details of the shoe. So that Nike Air print on the sock liner or insole appears to be in a flat silvery colour. And of course, taking a look at the underside, once again in black for that rubber waffle sole. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Max 90. Thanks for watching and happy walking!